What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for making it ChriSamz for your property tours and your updates. Guys, want big up the subscribers on this channel, because I see if I fall out of line, somebody just did to drape me up. Let me apologize firstly for taking so long with this drone update for Portridge. I actually did a drone shot when I did the video for the open house. However, I totally forgot to post that video. So here what, that video they kind of outdated now, because I know some more work do since them time there. But guys, nevertheless, I'm here today. I saw the comment and I didn't even make 12 hours pass before I come out to get this video for you guys. So here what, I'm going to be flying over this property right now. A lot of work has taken place. A lot of persons have moved in. If you need update in terms of the blocks that are being developed, current prices, and how far this development reach, I implore you guys to reach out to the developers. Their contact information is in the description below. I won't be able to give you all of that information in this video, so therefore I'll give it a drone shot. You can make the call, you can reach out to the developers, and they will give you the final details that you guys need to make one of these units your house to live. Alright, so I'm going to jump into the shot right now. And like me say, big up on yourself always for commenting. I don't always respond, not because I'm ignoring your message, but the time just don't allow for me to answer everybody, alright? But I do the best that I can. And talking about the best, giving you the best drone shot right now at Portridge Estate. So I'll catch you guys on the other side of this video. And pick up on yourself. We're going to the skies right now. Yes, my people, so that is it for our video today. Thank you guys for watching. As always, we came here today when some work is going on, so you know that work is going on and you can see that the work is going on. Hold on, and I see the upstairs house there behind me. But I remember when I did show you when you can add on to the unit. See it there again. Those who are asking about if the units are expandable, yes they are. How you expand? Talk to the developers, let them tell you how far you can go, you know your boundaries, and you do your thing. Alright? So guys, we desire to only give you the best drone shot, and we just did that. Remember, if you need additional information for these units, the contact information for the developer is left down below in the description. And thank you guys for stopping by one more time. Remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Leave your comments and I'll do my best to respond. So it's peace out from me. Peace out from ChriSamz. Out of the hot sun. Big up on yourself. We'll catch you in another video, alright? Out.